Peace, what's going on guys? How y'all doing? Today we're going to be taking a look at a new monitor for my computer, my PC. And what it is the one that I had that I'm looking at right now. Every time I look at it, it kind of like takes a toll on my eyes, and it makes me dizzy when I look at it. It's not really something that I want to use anymore. So I actually found this one, guys, on Amazon, and I kind of want to show you it right here. It's considered a gaming monitor. It's also it's made by a company called Sceptre. So this model right here is the C24 curved gaming monitor with 144 hertz refresh rate. It also does have AMD FreeSync premium edgeless design as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it right here. Let's cut open this tape right here at the top. And we're gonna see everything that's inside of it. Right here you can see they give us a Sceptre toolkit, user manual, and instructions included in. Okay, yeah, this is to build the stand. I know for sure because I remember seeing this on the website. Okay, so you can see right here, this is the mechanism that would hold the monitor screen. Look at this power supply right here. There, so right here you can see we do have the monitor. Wow, this is really thin. Okay guys, so this is actually what it looks like. You can see it has like a curve design on it, and it's really thin, really small. It has some speakers down below as well. Let me just show you that. And then it says Sceptre right here on the bottom, 144 hertz HDMI. It has a peel tab on the top left hand corner. Other than that, on the back, you're getting the option to input the neck stand, and you get your 3.5mm headphone jack. You get your DP port, HDMI 1 and 2, and DC in. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down just for a second and let's see if that stands by itself. It actually stands by itself, guys, but let me set this all up real quick. Okay, so it does come with an HDMI right here. You get HDMI to HDMI, so you don't have to buy that. You also do get a warranty here, so you can register for that. This thing is really easy to set up. Once you insert those two base screws into the neck and then put the two neck screws into the thing, then you can see right behind here, it's just really lightweight, really easy. It does actually have these doors that I took off the back. You can put those back on. Oh yeah, here we go. So that's one. There you go. So now you got a nice clean back again. And what I did forget to mention is that on the back of this side, you are getting a button that says M, E. You get a power on button and volume up and down on this side. That's just something that was really cool, I thought, was that when you're looking at the back of the I'm having a really hard time pronouncing this word, Sceptre, you can see that there's a little like light with the logo right there, which looks really cool in my opinion. But just the shape of this thing is really nice. You could see that it has a really nice curvature on the top and just really nice design for. But I definitely considered this Sceptre display to be a huge improvement over the older one that I was using, and just overall, you know, like the display looks really nice. Let me see if I could test out like a game or something on here, even though I don't really play games on PC. But right now I'm downloading Asphalt 9 so I could show you how the game performance works. But I really like how when you get that curved screen and it looks really nice when you're moving stuff around. It does feel like there is a sense of like rounded corners when you're looking at it, which is kind of cool. It's a huge stretch from the other one I was using. And look at all the screen real estate when I'm in FL Studio, which I use to make a lot of beats and stuff like that. You could see that it has so much space now. Like I'm able to see so much more than I was able to see on my HP screen. As far as getting your split screen right here, you can easily get split screen. That looks really nice, guys. So let me just show you. It's really good on the eyes as well. This you get your source type, but right here you get picture. So you could choose from standard, preset, and then it has volumes as well. So let me just show you that. So that's standard, user, movie, eco, frames per second, RTS. I kind of like movie, it's really bright. And then, I think I just pressed the wrong button. Oh yeah, there we go. So that's what the screen looks like when you turn it on. And of course there's a lot more settings in here. Let me see. So you got color right here. So let's click color. You can mess with the gamma, the tint, the saturation, and the blue light shift as well. And then you have system. So let me just go to system right here. Hit system, you get overdrive, FreeSync, on or off, sleep mode, languages. You get ODS timer, volume. You could turn the volume all the way up to 100%. And then let's leave it like that. Change, let me see. You can mess with the sharpness. Now it's really hard for me to express how good this thing looks for the price that I paid, $144. This thing is really nice. It has 144 gigahertz gaming. It's an LED edgeless panel. This thing looks really good. If you wanted to use this thing for just like really great watching movies, or the refresh mode for when you're gaming, or like anything like that, this thing is really beautiful, just to say the least. So lack of a better word, I would definitely say that this thing is stellar. It's really good as far as the viewing angles, and when I was using the mouse across the screen, I felt like I could drag much more than I could with my 10-year-old HP monitor that I was using before this. Okay, so I'm gonna play some Asphalt 9 with the new Sceptre display, 144 hertz gaming monitor. So let's just see how this works out. I've never done this before, but we're gonna learn right now. It looks beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful. You can see I have my mouse right here, and the screen just looks really beautiful. There's no flaws on the display. So, oh snap. I didn't even pay attention to what that thing said. Okay, there we go. I forgot what the controls were. Oh wait, they just gave me the controls. Let me see, resume. So D is press and hold the down arrow, S, A, D, A, S, and D. I'll press the left arrow as well. Oh, this is pretty cool. Alright, so the space bar is to actually so this looks amazing. It looks really crisp when I'm looking at it in my eyes. It's really good on my eyes. So it says when the space bar is full, boom, double tap. So that's pretty much what it looks like, guys. Obviously it looks really good, and I would give it a major win for this price. Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna get out of here and let's just exit. But if I had to say whether I recommended this display or not, I would definitely say I would recommend it. And for the money, it's even better because you're gonna get a really good display for the money, under $150. But if you did find this video helpful, please be sure to leave a like on the video and show your support and appreciation as well. But if you're new to the channel, a like would be helpful and a sub would be appreciated as well. But in the meantime, I'll see you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you guys are, later. Peace.